Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert image by URL in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert image by URL in Google Docs, open your Google Docs and open the document. I have opened a document and then place your cursor where you want to insert the image. I have placed the cursor here. Now open another tab. Now browse the website where from you want to insert the image. I want to insert this image from this website. Just click on the image again. Now right click on the image and you will find here copy image address. Just click on the copy image address. Now go to Google Docs and you can click on insert tab, then go to image and then click on by URL. Now paste the URL here. Now click on insert image. Look, the image has been inserted in Google Docs by URL. Now you can resize the image or change the alignment. I'm going to change it the center align. This is the easiest way to insert image by URL in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.